Hi my pretties. Today I've got something very nice to show you. आज मैं लाई हूँ सुतत्व का मुख शुद्धि फेस योगा रिचुअल. So this is सुतत्व में मुख शुद्धि फेस योगा रिचुअल जो मैंने Amazon से ऑर्डर किया है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इसमें क्या क्या है फॉर द फेस योगा रिचुअल. दिस इज़ अ 7-day रिचुअल जो आप अपने फेस के लिए कर सकते हो to get that glowing skin, to get a beautiful uplift and आपके blood circulation increase करता है, आपकी skin texture अच्छा करता है. So this is the face yoga kit which comes with just like this. I'll show you. First is this is the oil that they have put in, first oil, which is basically an almond oil, and it is a cold pressed almond oil which can be, it's marjara, it's called the almond oil, which is name, iska naam likha hai marjara. So this is a very nice oil. I'll show you. आप देखो, a little bit on your palm, and this works wonder to remove your makeup. Under eye cream, under eye oil massage. So what you can do is just a little dab and you can just थोड़ा सा rub करके on your hand and just go over it on your under eye. आप इससे सारा फेस से भी क्लीन कर सकते हैं. For the makeup you can use this and clean it. So it's a very nice and a very light oil. It's real almond oil. It can be used under eye at night. रात को आप under eye and massage कर सकते हैं ऐसे all over this way on your press points like this. And also it can be used as a makeup remover. तो आप ये ऑयल मेकअप रिमूवर के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, अंडर आई मसाज के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एनी टाइम ऑफ द डे. प्रेफरेबली एट द नाइट इज़ बेटर बिकॉज वो टाइम आपके स्किन को मिलता है टू रिजूविनेट. आपकी स्किन को टाइम मिलता है रिलैक्स करने का, रिजूविनेट करने का. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड फेस ऑयल, almond pressed oil. So this is the first oil, and which is actually everything you have is, this is the gleam, steam and gleam Kaushiki. This is the Kaushiki, this is the Mukhraj facial oil and Marjara facial oil. This is the almond Marjara facial oil. They have very nice steaming herbs also जो आपको steam लेना है and it will actually unclog all your pores. आपका स्किन ब्रीथ करने लगेगी. आई शो यू विच इज़ दी, दिस इज़ दी स्टीमिंग हर्ब्स जो ऑर्गेनिक स्टीमिंग हर्ब्स हैं विच यू नीड टू पुट इन योर हॉट बॉइलिंग वाटर या स्टीमर एंड टेक द स्टीम. सो दिस इज़ दी स्टीमिंग हर्ब्स. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड दी कौशिकी. So this is the first. This is steam and gleam, and it helps in unclogging your pores. It increases your blood circulation. आपकी hydration increase करती है. So in hot water you need to drop this sachet of steaming herbs and steam for 5 to 7 minutes. So this is the first step to Mukha Shuddhi 7-day ritual for radiant and luminous skin. So this is the first thing. Then we go bold with gold. So that is the Mukhraj facial oil, which is the, I'll show you which is the Mukhraj facial oil. और आपको ये ऑयल से मसाज करनी है. दिस इज द Mukhraj facial oil, and इससे आपको, I'll show you, just take a few drops on your palm, just a little. Just massage. I'm wearing little makeup, so I'm doing very light massage. for your double chin. This is the massage आपको करनी है. So this massage you can do at night for your double chin. So this is the Mukhraj Go Bold with Gold, and this is the facial oil which is helps in reducing the signs of aging, and it helps in hydrating and softening the skin, stimulates your skin cells and removes the fine lines and wrinkles. आपकी laughing lines, your fine lines, your crow feet, ये सब हटाता है the Mukhraj facial oil. So this is the very important facial oil which is also called the anti-aging facial oil. And then we go to the Marjara. I told you about the almond oil. ये तो आपका this helps in provides the deepest hydration inside the epidermis. It tones your skin, and also it adds luminosity to the skin. It hydrates and softens the complexion, and it makes you brighten your face. आपको बहुत अच्छा cleansing का काम करता है. This is the Marjara, which is the pure almond oil. ये आप अंडर आई क्लेंजिंग, आप मेकअप रिमूवर, यू कैन यूज दिस. विंटर्स में बहुत बढ़िया करता है. सो दिस इज द मसाज एंड क्लेंस, द मर्जरा आलमंड ऑयल. एंड देन वी कम टू दैट ऑल दैट इज गोल्ड, द कुमकुमादी तेलम with hyaluronic acid. So this is the Kumkumadi Telam with hyaluronic acid. So what this does is, it is a unique mix of Kumkumadi Telam and the hyaluronic acid, and that rejuvenates the skin like never before. It really, see, this is it. It rejuvenates your skin. I'll just show it to you. See, just little drop, that's it, and just massage it. It's a very light oil, and it exhibits anti-aging properties. Again you need to massage it. I'm wearing little makeup, but if you have this is supposed to be done without the makeup, when your skin is all clean, fresh, tab aap kare. I'm just showing you. And the massaging has to be done like this. It goes up and like this, then like this, and like this. So this is the way you need to do your massages. Always go in the upward direction. And this way, and then you can dab it on your eyes, on your forehead, on your temples. Also, don't forget your area of your ears. These glands, the lymphatic glands. तो ये आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है. it has got a blend of hyaluronic acid, and it is a very good, it helps in anti-aging. It has all the benefits of anti-aging. It moisturizes, it hydrates, and reduces hyperpigmentation. So this is the Kumkumadi Telam. This is a very nice tel. And you can use this, apply a few drops and massage in skin until it is absorbed well. So this gives a very good luminous glow to your skin. Then we go to the scrubs that we have. This is a very nice detox scrub that is there in the Kumkumadi, the Mukha Suddhi facial kit. इसमें आपका बहुत अच्छा detox scrub है. ये आपका, you have to mix it with water to make a paste, and just apply it with a brush. आप कोई spatula और वो bowl ले लीजिए और उसको mix this detox scrub. You can mix this detox scrub. It comes like this. So you can mix it with your water, or if you want, you can mix it with, preferably mix it with water to make a paste, and you can spread it all over. And after that, just little, once it dries, and don't have to make it dry completely, it has all natural ingredients. It nourishes, balances your skin, it moisturizes and helps in enhanced detoxification. So this is, take a little and add water and then form a paste and apply all over your face and neck, and rinse it with, wrap it with the tap water. you have to draw. If you want, you can put 2 drops of Kumkumadi Telam inside when you are applying the mask. So the scrub. So what you can do is mix it with water and put a few drops of Kumkumadi Telam. That will give a very nice shine to your skin. And then we go to the orange peel scrub. This is orange for eternal glow. This is the orange peel scrub. This is the orange peel scrub. I'll open it and show it to you. This is the orange peel scrub. So what you need to do is, ये all powder form में है. आपको सिर्फ इसको निकाल के you have to add little few drops of, make this paste with milk, or you can even use little water, but preferably with milk it will do wonders. तो इससे आपको क्या होगा, it's an extraordinary fusion of enriched vitamin C, E, protein, flavonoids, minerals and essential oils that help lighten the dark skin, spots, pigmentation, and also does deep cleansing. So this is a very nice orange, peel which helps to detoxify your skin. You can use it, mix it with milk and make a very nice paste. It gives you the eternal glow. Then we come to the Kumkumadi Uptan. I'll show you. This is also another, the last but not the least. This is Kumkumadi Face Uptan. So this is, I'll show you how it is. It's also in the powder form. They are all powder form. आपको सिर्फ ये निकाल के आपको इसको mix करना है. You can mix it with milk. Uptans mixed with milk give very good results. You can take this uptan and put a few drops of milk, make a nice paste, and then spread it all evenly on your face, cheeks, nose, forehead, your chin, your neck area. And this, let it just dry a little. This removes your suntan, it lightens your pigments and also reduces fine lines. So what you need to do is take little Kumkumadi Uptan, add some water in the, or milk, whichever you prefer. I would prefer milk, and apply it all over in your face and neck. Rinse the thing after it's from tap water, after it dries a little. Follow it with 2 drops of Kumkumadi Telam. This is a wonder oil. You can mix it with all your packs except the detox scrub. This is very good. This softens, moisturizes and hydrates your skin after all the packs and the peels. So then you need, almost all is done. These are your 6 days of regime. The 7th day, what you need to do is put the distilled rose water. This comes in the spray form. I'll show you. This is a spray form that you need to, the cap's open, just spray a little on your face all over, and this gives a nice refreshed feel after all your regime of the Mukhasuddhi, and this gives a beautiful happy sensation. You feel rejuvenated, you feel fresh, your skin is lightened, it's moisturized, it's hydrated, it's got all the ingredients what it needs to have a good glow on your face. So this is the Mukhasuddhi face yoga ritual, and we will also share with you, I will also try and share with you the face yoga, how to do it, how to go about the massages. So this was it which I got. You can go and grab and order for yourselves from Amazon the Mukhasuddhi face yoga ritual from Sutattva. And if you've liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.